Oh my god. So that's the exact reason that I got a new shower head. That was actually pretty easy to put on. Looks pretty nice. Ooh. Oh wow. Okay. There's this one, and then if you click this button, it's more powerful. That's crazy. That's like super powerful too. Like, let me. Okay, this is from my last shower. My bad, okay? Let me collect this up. You see the hair? So this is the not power. This is like the least powerful. Okay, gone. Okay, now let's put it back up here and put it on the most powerful. Gone. Oh, this is gonna feel so nice. I am so excited. Shower heads build up so much nasty gunk that you wouldn't even imagine, and you probably need yours replaced anyways, so I would go with this one because I am telling you, it just is so slick. There's two modes, the, stronger and slower power. So if you're looking for one, or you need one, or you probably need it replaced anyways, I would go and grab this one. I'll link it for you.